10 ways to relieve the pain of bunions. Do you constantly experience painful sensations on your big toe? Does it seem like your big toe is starting to lean over your other toes and that a big bump on its side is forming? Then you may be having a bunion. A bunion is another common foot deformity that occurs due to lack of feet care. Once you have confirmed that a bunion has formed on your toe, here are 10 ways to relieve the pain of bunions. 1. Foot soak. Soaking your feet in warm water will help you cope with the pain associated with the bunion. You can just boil some water and add herbs or Epsom salt, then submerge your feet in this solution for about 10 minutes. 2. Cold compress. Aside from heat, the cold can also give you temporary pain relief. Whenever your bunion aches, simply get an ice pack and hold it against the bunion until the pain subsides. 3. Comfort shoes. The most common cause of bunion is poor fitting pair of shoes. To alleviate the pain that you feel, you should avoid wearing high-heeled or tight shoes. Instead, get shoes that bring your feet extra comfort. There are many special medical shoes available in the market like Morton's new Aroma shoes. You can also wear insoles to help remove the pressure that your feet receive. 4. Bunion braces and splints. When you're at home, you can try wearing corrective bunion braces or splints. This will help straighten your toe and reduce the size of the bunion. 5. Bunion shield and padding. Bunion shield and padding are products that are specifically designed to protect the bunion joint. Whenever you wear shoes, a bunion shield or padding will prevent the shoe rubber from rubbing with your bunion, making it less painful. 6. Aspirin and other medicines. There are medicines, like aspirin, that you can buy on the local pharmacy to help ease the bunion pain. You might need to ask for a medical prescription from the doctor first before you can buy these medicines. 7. Bunion ointment and cream. Aside from oral medicines, you can also use bunion ointment or cream to alleviate the bunion pain. These products can usually be bought over the counter, so just ask your pharmacist about the best bunion ointment or cream that they have. 8. Foot spa. Getting a relaxing foot spa can help reduce the stress that your feet receives. The massage can also help to reduce the pain that you feel because of the bunion. You can simply visit your local day spa and pay for a soothing foot spa. 9. Foot therapy. Some podiatrists administer therapy that will help cure your bunion. Just go to a podiatrist and ask about the different foot therapies that you can take in order to cope with your bunion. 10. Surgery. If you were not able to treat your bunion right away, it might need to be permanently removed through a surgical process. Schedule an appointment with a doctor and ask what surgical methods you can undergo in order for you to get rid of bunion for good. If you do not want to experience having deformities on your feet, you must take good care of them. Your pair of feet is one of the most used and strained parts of your body, so give proper attention to your feet to keep it safe from deformities and diseases.